Bomberman.
Did you see the last MiG Bomberman casino explosion in Las Vegas? No. You must see it. And you'll figure out what MiG and Jim are doing at Mo Bar in Springfield. After Las Vegas Casino, MiG decided to visit very famous Mo Bar. Just find out, Duff or Budweiser beer is the best one. I think you know the way how MiG will test it. Watch it.
I can say that our last explosion in Las Vegas Casino, that was totally perfect. It was one of the best that we have ever had it. So what do you think? What do you think about our last explosion over there? Yeah?
So bad, very bad. It was so much smoke, so much fire, very bad. And repeat, I'm lost all my money. All my money!
Alright, calm down, Jim. Don't worry, everything's fine. All the explosion video went fine, totally. Of course, you know, we had much smoke, huge power, but everything went fine at all. So just take your mood up and we'll go for it. We are in Springfield, man. We are in Mo's Bar. So let's have a bottle of Duff beer and let's cheers it. Oh, do you hear? Do you hear what kind of noise we have? Who's coming? Who's coming over there? Check this out.
Ready to get duffed!
Well, Jim, come on. This is Springfield. This is Mo Bar. Why are you drinking Budweiser beer? You have to drink this Duff beer.
Why? I'm found in trash box. Because I'm found.
Now we'll figure out, you know, which beer is the best. Duff beer that we are drinking up here, or your, which one? Budweiser, right.
Budweiser. Good.
Yeah, the best choice is just to call to our friend who is the real beer expert and he'll figure out which beer is the best. Alright, Mo, call to our friend who is the best expert in beer industry. Call him.
Most having, most speaking.
Hello? Hello? Oh my god, yes. Hello, Mo. Hello. What the hell are you talking about? Just blow up all the beers, then you'll find out who's the best.
Oh, okay, I think that's a good answer. Jim, let's go to our workshop, let's go to our explosion camera, and let's figure out which beer is the strongest one. Duff beer over here or your Budweiser. So we will see very soon.
Okay, very funny. Now I'm gonna turn the lights off again. When they come back on, I want all my booze back the way it was.
MiG. Bomberman.
Yeah, okay.
This is the showtime of preparation for the explosion of the best beer in Springfield. So let's start from the very beginning. As the beer expert said, just to figure out which beer is the best. So let's start. And here is the left side for one kind of the beer that is standing over here. As you see, we stand it like here, and also we'll do the same on the right side, but definitely one of the best Springfield beer in Mo Bar. And I have a small secret for you guys. This beer was taken from the Mo Bar, as I mentioned for you, when all the lights were off. So we had some time to take everything and run away. What I want to add near all this explosion, that don't do this at home, leave it for me, for professionals who are doing this for a very long time. We are doing it in a very safety way. So next time send me your idea and I will explode it in a very, very safe way. So leave it for me and I'm going for explosion. Don't do this at home. And here we have camera number 1 from the right corner, and explosion comes here. Let's take a look. Beer explosion. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow, wow, nice! So many glasses are around. But take a look. Wow, the brown beer bottles are still standing and nobody was damaged, almost nothing at all. But on the left side you see so many crashes. Wow, that was nice. That was really nice. And here we are coming to the camera number 2 in the center. So just take a look. What happened over here? Okay, explosion comes here. First of all, explosion on the right side. I see all the brown bottles are still standing. Nobody was damaged? Oh my god. And on the left side, the green beer. Yeah, I see that. It's totally damaged. One glass of the bottle is still flying. And even almost electricity turned off. Wow, that was interesting. That was great. Here is camera number 3 on the left side. And I think it will be the most powerful and greatest. Yeah, you see. Wow. This green bottle is totally smashed to the glass. Wow, amazing. Just take a look how beer disappeared in that bottle. One bottle of beer is still landing down to the bottleneck. And one bottleneck is landing down. Wow, great. Of course, maybe not so much glasses around, but it was really awesome. And let's take a look what we have just after explosion. As always, wow, that was tough. That was really tough. Well, as you can see, some of the bottles, yeah, they're totally crashed and the beer stings everywhere. Yeah, but some of... Yeah, I see that there was the biggest fire up here. Some of the bottles, as you see, they are still alive. So we can calculate and we can count how many bottles they are still alive, right? Okay. Wow, as far as I see, all these 6 bottles, they are still alive. Of course, they are a bit burned, but they are not damaged at all. And as you can see, these bottles are damaged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 survived, but over here we have 6 bottles, so I can say that this brand beer is the best one. In this case, I can nominate that this brand beer is the best one in Mo Bar at Springfield, right? And I want to say that don't try to do this at home. Leave it for us, send your idea for me, and I will explode in the same way, in a very safety way as well. So guys, looking for your idea.